एंड इनके टोनर पैड्स बहुत ज्यादा डेंस इन सीरम है. कट ओपनर इट्स लाइक अ कुकी कटर. लुक एट हाउ इट्स कमिंग आउट लाइक अ कुकी. मेरी माँ को मिला भी नहीं है अभी तक, मार डालेगी मेरे को. दिस इज सपोज टू बी द बेस्ट PDRN यू विल गेट इन कोरिया. इनके टोनर पैड्स बहुत ज्यादा डेंस इन सीरम है. कट ओपनर इट्स लाइक अ कुकी कटर. लुक एट हाउ इट्स कमिंग आउट लाइक अ कुकी. मेरी माँ को मिला भी नहीं है अभी तक, मार डालेगी मेरे को. दिस इज सपोज टू बी द बेस्ट PDRN यू विल गेट इन कोरिया. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am sharing my South Korea haul K-beauty edition with y'all. I just came back from South Korea and I think what y'all were looking forward to the most is my shopping haul. मैं जब भी भारत घूम के आती हूँ कंट्री में वापस, सबसे ज्यादा ट्रैवल विद सारा से ज्यादा लोगों को हॉल वीडियो में इंटरेस्ट होता है कि सारा क्या शॉपिंग करके आई है. एंड साउथ कोरिया जगह ही ऐसी है कि इट इज फेमस फॉर शॉपिंग. लिटरली उधर खाना बंद हो जाएगा, but malls and the vintage stores etc will be open till 2 in the night. It is crazy. There are some 24-hour shopping centers also. It's mad. The shopping scene in South Korea is really crazy when it comes to the variety, the prices and the quality of products you get. So in this video I am only sharing कि मैंने K beauty में क्या लिया है. Basically all the skincare, makeup, that kind of stuff. Mostly it's like 99% skincare and only 1% makeup. क्योंकि makeup मुझे इतना कुछ उनका ऐसा खास नहीं लगा, प्लस उनकी स्किन टोन मेरे से काफी अलग है. So I didn't get like a lot of makeup variety or options in general. I have bought K beauty that you do get in India now because अभी K beauty बहुत वायरल हो गया है इंडिया में. काफी सारे ब्रांड्स हमको इंडिया में भी मिल चुके हैं. तो मैं आपको वो पहले बताऊंगी और फिर मैं वो बताऊंगी जो मैंने एक्सक्लूसिवली कोरिया से लिया, जो उधर ही मिलता है और उधर की खासियत है. तो अगर आपका कोई रिश्तेदार जा रहा है या आप जा रहे हो तो आप खुद खरीद सकते. If you're interested to watch this video, if you're a skincare enthusiast, then continue watching. You're gonna absolutely love it. And if you haven't subscribed already, this is the first time you're watching me, then hit that big red subscribe button. It's absolutely free and you will become a part of the Sara squad and I'm sure you'll love it here. And with that, we can dive straight into it. I literally have so much stuff here that I'm kind of overwhelmed. But let me start with what I can see the most over here, and that are these Biodance sheet masks. I got two variants for myself. I got this pink one and I also got this येलो वन. एंड मैंने ऐसा बल्क में उठाया है शीट मास्क. लिटरली मैं शीट मास्क लगाती भी नहीं थी पहले. मैंने बिल्कुल भी कितने सालों से शीट मास्क नहीं लगाया बिकॉज आई जेन्युइनली डू फील लाइक दे आर वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर द एनवायरमेंट. अगर आप बोलो कि अंदर का वो बायोडिग्रेडेबल है तो भी आप एवरी टाइम यू यूज अ शीट मास्क यू आर क्रिएटिंग वेस्टेज. सो आई डिडंट वांट टू बाय देम, बट दिस particular sheet mask only and this particular brand has been so viral on the internet, so viral that I was getting like a bulk deal on this. I went to this store called Tem Beauty on Myeongdong. Myeongdong market mein it is there and you get like bulk discounting on it. These are all genuine products. So it was a very good deal because of how viral it is. People have said this has transformed their skin, bahut plump bana deta hai, hydrated kar deta hai. And Koreans only bought that sheet mask, a full trend in India. It started with Face Shop in India and then all the other Korean brands, Indian brands, they've all done it. Everything that goes viral in South Korea does come to India also. So I didn't purchase any other sheet mask apart from this Biodance one because it was viral and I don't plan to use all of this myself. I am going to give it to my friends, my family members, everything. मैंने ये haul video बनाने के लिए अब तक इधर रखा है because I want to show you कि I bought this like bulk में. Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. It says it has probiotics for Galactomyces ferment filtrate, low molecular hyaluronic acid solution and low molecular collagen. It's for hydrating, pore perfecting and firming. I have used this one and the whole catch with this is that you're supposed to put it and you're supposed to keep it for 4 to 5 hours on your skin जब तक वो पूरा ट्रांसपेरेंट ना हो जाए. मैं इधर एक रील डालूंगी कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर की यूज करते हुए. मेरे में तो बिल्कुल जीवन में पेशेंस है नहीं. मैंने इसको लगाया 10 मिनट में मेरे को इतनी चिढ़ होने लगी कि मैंने निकाल दिया. I really did not see the full effect of like hydrating, pore perfecting, firming to tell you if it's actually working in all those areas. Yes, hydration you do get because इतना सारा सीरम है तो स्किन हाइड्रेटेड ही लगेगी. बट अभी समर का मौसम है, मुझे इतना हाइड्रेशन की जरूरत भी नहीं है. सो आई माइट डेवलप पेशेंस एंड यूज इट प्रॉपर्ली. properly and give you a full review in one of my vlogs. But that's my feedback on this, that I do think that you need to have a lot of patience and a lot of dedication to do K-beauty, to use these properly till it gets transparent. I personally don't have that, so I might give a lot of this to my cousins, my family members, etc. The other one I got, I want to use this one more for myself. This is the Radiant Vita Niacinamide Real Deep Mask, and इसमें niacinamide, pineapple, fruit water and glutathione है, basically for brightening. और मुझे बहुत acne marks होते हैं, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा pigmentation का issue है, मुझे थोड़ी सी चोट भी लग जाती है ना तो बहुत deep pigmentation कर देता है चेहरे पे. So I want to use this more religiously and develop the patience to use this. So these were the only two sheet masks I got with my own money. But the culture in Korean beauty shops is कि आप जितनी shopping करो, आप थोड़ी सी करो या ज्यादा करो, वो लोग ये भर उठा के आपको sheet mask free में देते हैं. Like वो freebie के हिसाब से sheet mask देते हैं. Like these are just some of those that I have over here with me. Everything else I give my team, my friends, family to use, because what will I do of sheet masks? I literally don't use them also. So I got a lot of like these anti-wrinkle ones for free, which I'm going to give mummy, and a brightening one, so I give all of them to my team members. But this is the Intense Care one, which says it has rose, PDR and glutathione sheet mask. This is from a brand called Her Hop, and this brand also I saw very viral in South Korea, which is called I'm Sorry for My Skin. Iska sheet mask मैं और Sharon use कर रहे थे during the trip, and we actually really liked it. I just kept one for me and I gave rest to my team members. But yeah, it is good. But again, like I say, I don't have so much time to use sheet masks. I also feel they do cause a lot of damage to the environment, so I don't usually buy them. These are the only two ones I bought, and even these अगर मेरी life को ऐसा change नहीं कर दिया उन्होंने तो मैं कभी जीवन में वापस इनको नहीं खरीदूंगी, ना ही मैं promote करती हूँ use करना. Now coming to the products that work, that I have tried in the past and that I bought again as repurchases from South Korea. So you all know I love this Axis Y का Dark Glow Correcting Spot Serum. ये मैंने last video में भी बताया था, जो beauty video किया था, कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैंने इसको पूरा खत्म कर दिया है and I love it, and I use it every single morning in the AM routine, and then I apply my sunscreen. So I got a full size refill of it. In fact, all of us milke in Temtem Beauty made a bill of 1,010,000 Korean won. That is 3 of us milke, which is 65,000 rupees. But that was 3 लोगों का milke skincare, and not just for us, for our sisters, for our mummy, for everyone. So Pooja's mom, Pooja's sister, Sharon's sister, Sharon's mom, me, my sister, my mom. All of us का shopping मिला के 65,000 में हुआ है. So that's a great deal, and we bought all of that from Temtem, like the sheet mask, all of these products, everything's from Temtem. We didn't go to Olive Young at this point. Olive Young से मैंने बहुत अलग सामान लिया है, उसका भी collection of course बहुत अच्छा होता है, prices भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Access wise, got it a good price, got one more from myself. Then I got this product which is viral. This is from the brand VT. So now this is a brand called VT, or again if you're an Instagram enthusiast cutlet watching skincare videos, you know इनका ये serum viral गया था. This is called the Riedel Shot. Basically it's like micro needling in a bottle. A lot of Indian brands tried to dupe it, did not come close. This is still one of the best micro needling in a bottle. It basically helps with your खड्डे वाले scars, जो मेरे को भी बहुत है. Like I have done a lot of skin treatments for it, but of course it will not go 100%. मेरा 80% तक काफी मेरे skin के जो pits है वो ठीक हो गए हैं, but अभी भी मेरे skin में वो pitted scars है from my hormonal acne days in my teenage, and this is supposed to help with that. Of course if you have newer scarring, that always helps with skincare. Old scarring I don't think मुझे इतना फर्क दिखेगा, but I got one for myself and one for Tamanna. So this is for me, this is for Tamanna, because my best friend Tamanna, she also has acne marks just like me. Hers are also deep pitted scars, so I got one for her. It's called the Cica Riedel, and it has 95,000 Cica Riedels. So this Riedel Shot formula, they are calling it Riedel Shot, वो उन्होंने trademark करके रखा है, which refines your rough skin and dead skin cells to remove the natural smooth skin. Use as the first step of your daily skincare routine. So I was using this over there only. Basically very easy formula, just feels like a serum, but जब आप उसको blend करोगे skin में तो ऐसे छोटे-छोटे tingling वाला sensation होगा, not like a plumping lip gloss or something. It's going to feel like small tingling sensation, and it's over time supposed to help you with your acne scars. I have of course not used it enough to tell you if it works and actually shows any difference, but because it was viral, then I got the same brand का Cica Riedel. This one I got the Reti A Riedel Shot, the 300 Reti A Riedel Shot. This has retinol in it, so this I got for mummy for anti-aging. So this I got for her because this has Cica Hyaluron trademark किया उन्होंने, ये Cica Riedel and vitamin A complex. ये लोग basically ना ऐसे complex of ingredients बनाते हैं और खुद उसका trademark ले लेते हैं ताकि कोई और उनको copy ना करे. So even though you can copy the formula, you'll never know what's inside their Riedel complex that they are actually using. So I'm excited for mom to use this. I've got her so much skincare. My mom's a big skincare enthusiast, you know that. So I've got a lot for mummy. Then I got this also for Tamanna. This is the same thing but this is a 100 PDRN Riedel shot. So this is PDRN. इसमें तुमको मिल रहा है Cica and Hyaluron and इसमें तुमको PDRN मिल रहा है. So because Tamanna's scarring is a lot deeper, like her scarring is like proper dents into her skin. So I feel like this will really help her because PDRN basically helps to like regenerate your skin. So these both are for her sake. Now you will be surprised to know कि Beauty of Joseon जितना बड़ा ब्रांड इंडिया में है उतना उसका क्रेज उधर नहीं है. South Koreans actually don't use Beauty of Joseon that much उधर उनके वेदर में. But I think Indian weather के लिए Beauty of Joseon works really well and I do like a lot of their products. Like this eye cream, a lot of influencers were recommending and I don't have dark under eyes but mummy does. So I got this for mummy. She uses it already. उन्होंने Nykaa पे खरीदा, ये Nykaa पे मिलता है and she uses, she loves it. So I got her one more उधर से. This is the Revive Eye Serum which has ginseng and retinol. If you have dark under eyes or wrinkly under eyes and you want to start using an eye cream, you can consider using this. Genuinely an eye cream that works because मुझे पहले लगता था कि eye cream एकदम ऐसा फालतू प्रोडक्ट है, एकदम gimmicky product है. You can just apply a serum and a moisturizer under your eyes too. But this is a genuine eye cream that works and mom also loves it and mom is very particular with her skincare. She will not apply anything just for the heck of it, or if I tell her also mommy it's good, she will not believe me. She'll use it, she'll trust it, she'll like it, then she'll buy with any amount of money, but she needs to use it and like it herself and she genuinely does like it. My mom is also going to start doing skincare content on Marmite because she has such strong opinions about skincare. Then I got this. Okay, now Dr. Althea का जो वो moisturizer viral हुआ था वो मैंने इंडिया में खरीदा था because of how viral it was, but I am not a big fan of it. I think it's okay. I think we have Moisture Surge and other moisturizers which perform just as good, but this one I just bought it again because it's a new product. This is the mist, so you can see the layer open. It's a cream mist and it has like ingredients like Oriza Sativa, which is rice bran water, and panthenol. It is amazing in this weather, you guys. I freaking love it because इसकी mist bottle देखो कितनी प्यारी mist है and it is just so hydrating. You even apply over makeup, your skin will feel so glowy, so hydrated. I love this now. Like उधर ना इतनी गर्मी थी, दिन दहाड़े मेरे को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Even इधर अभी इतनी गर्मी है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि मैं हाथ में मॉइस्चराइजर लेके अपनी स्किन पे मलूं. वो फीलिंग मुझे पसंद नहीं आती. So I love spray bottles like this and I'm absolutely loving it. You can see how much of it I've already used. एक महीना भी नहीं हुआ मुझे वापस आके and I am really liking this a lot more than the moisturizer tube itself. So I think if you want to buy anything from Dr. Althea, you can get this. You get it on Tira. मैंने check किया, Nykaa पे नहीं मिलता, Tira पे मिलता है. मैं सारे links आप लोग के लिए जो इंडिया में मिलते हैं वो description में डाल दूँ. Then you know I absolutely love this Clean It Zero Vanilla and Co cleansing balm. It had come to India. I don't know if it has been discontinued कि क्या हुआ है. ये discontinue हो गया मेरे ख्याल से, क्योंकि अगर आपने मेरे पुराने haul videos देखे, मैंने सिंगापुर से पहले लिया, मैंने दुबई से भी पहले लिया है इसको और अब मैंने कोरिया से भी खरीदा क्योंकि इंडिया में discontinue. I was thinking कि हाँ इंडिया से ले लूंगी, खत्म होगा. तो I love this cleansing balm a lot. It's one of the best. It gets your makeup out so nice and such a deep cleanse. But unfortunately right now I'm not getting it in India. So but you're getting it in a lot of other countries. And because I love the cleansing balm so much, I also went ahead and got their eye makeup remover. I saw this in Olive Young and got it from, both are from Olive Young. This is a lip and eye makeup remover. I apply makeup like at least 4 times a week. So I need a lot of cleansing balms and makeup removers. You don't need that much if you're not like me. If you just go to office and you just apply lipstick and blush and mascara wala makeup, you can just get a regular micellar water. You don't need a cleansing. But I need it because I do like a full beat almost. So I love, like I got this because I already love it. I got this to try it out. You can see it's still sealed, so I don't know if it's actually good. Just got it to try it. Beauty of Joseon se of course मैंने सिर्फ उतना नहीं लिया. I also got the cleansing balm because I love the cleansing balm of Beauty of Joseon as well. And you can see this has already been used. I've finished and emptied one tub already Mumbai में खरीद के Nykaa पे, and इनका एक और मैंने खरीदा. Very easy to use, emulsifies really nicely, takes off your makeup very nicely, keeps a very clean slate and no residue whatsoever. So really do love it and love the packaging also because you can access it idhar se. It's very like clean to access. I do really like this cleansing balm. These are the 2 cleansing balms I got, and then Beauty of Joseon का sunscreen तो हमने किराने की दुकान पे चावल लेते ना वैसा खरीदा. Like 25 Beauty of Joseon के sunscreen उठाए हम लोग कुल मिला के 3 लोगों ने. So there were these packs of 10 which were available and they were really inexpensive, like one sunscreen for 900 rupees, which is a great deal. So I got like the pack of 10 and the girls picked up 6 more. So overall we got like 25 sunscreens. Pooja took 6-7, Sharon took 6-7 to give people. I took the rest. I gave my team. I have to give Tamanna, I have to give mummy papa ne, Reet and मैं use करते ही है, and even Sabrina, everyone I will give. अभी भी मेरे पास पड़े हैं बाकी ये बांटने के लिए. But yeah, it's just a sunscreen that I was like so cheap. Oh my god. वो first day था ना हमारा म्योंगडोंग में, पूजा उस दिन ही आई थी. हम बड़े एक्साइट होके इतना ज्यादा पैसा खर्चा कर दिया तेम में. Honestly, like मुझे तो लगता है ओवरऑल देख के कि इतना बुरा नहीं है. I think we did okay. We didn't do bad. But we did get a lot of stuff. Everything that we will use, okay? Apart from the sheet mask, I feel everything we will get a lot of use out of. The beauty of just on sunscreen, this blue one, I like it for Indian weather. It's lightweight, it absorbs really nicely. Like I said, it's not a popular brand in Korea as much as it is in India, but I think that's because it works for Indian weather much more than it would work for here. So love this. So I got like ये आराम से मेरा एक महीने में 2 ट्यूब खत्म होता है. Another cleansing oil I got is from Celimax. Now you know I went to the Celimax office if you saw my second vlog, and over there they gave us a big hamper of a lot of their products, and they had actually sent me a huge hamper a couple of months back, which I didn't know that it was a Korean brand. I just started using the products because usually brands अगर कुछ भेजते हैं ना वो लोग मैसेज भी करते हैं कि हमने ये भेजा है, आप ट्राई करो बताओ कैसे लग रहा है. उन्होंने कुछ मैसेज नहीं किया था. मुझे लगा कोई इंडियन ब्रांड है और वो लोग कोरियन फॉर्मुलेशन बेच रहे हैं, तो मैं तो ऐसे यूज करने लगी. और जिससे यूज करके मुझे काफी अच्छे लग रहे थे प्रोडक्ट्स. जैसे उनका क्लेंजिंग ऑयल मैंने देखो कितना यूज कर लिया. I was just using. I was not mentioning it any video or like telling you all in vlogs or anything. I was just using it. Like ये नोनी एम्प्यूल भी आप देख सकते हो, उन्हीं का प्रोडक्ट है Celimax का. I've used इतना. It's great if you have redness, irritation या आपकी स्किन बहुत flare up हो जाती है. So I use this as a base every single day before my skincare. It's a very lightweight product, and I was just using these, and I was not like thinking anything about it. And Sharon told me that Celimax wants to host you in Korea, and I was like, oh, it's a Korean brand. Like I literally had that reaction, and then I met the team. I understood their vision. I understood everything and how focused they are on formulation. And वो लोग ऐसा इतना marketing पे ध्यान नहीं देते, वो लोग formula पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. And I was so excited. Like after meeting them, I'm like, oh my god, I have to tell my Sara Squad how amazing their products are. So I'm not paid or sponsored. I just met the team, and I feel very passionate about supporting brands I actually interact with. So you can see cleansing oil मैंने use किया, बड़ा ही मस्त product है. In fact, अगर आप कम makeup लगाते हो ना, तो I don't think cleansing balm is for you, or even micellar water is for you. You can get a cleansing oil like this one. Take one pump of this, अच्छे से massage, put it on your face, and then put face wash, and you're done. You've removed all your makeup, your sunscreen, everything from the day, and your fatigue, and a double cleanse has happened without having to invest in a micellar water plus a cleansing balm. And this one is one of the most effective cleansing oils I have seen. I've even used the Beauty of Just on one. I don't like it. I don't think it does such a good job. तो मेरा आधा ऐसे ही पड़ा है. But this one I do really like, and I think it works very very well. So excited that now I have a refill. ये सब मैंने खरीदा नहीं, ये Celimax टीम ने गिफ्ट किया है. Same way नोनी एम्प्यूल यूज करती हूँ रेडनेस के लिए, उन्होंने रिफिल भी मुझे दिया है. वेरी वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत रेड हो जाती है, आपको रोजेशिया, एक्जिमा, ऐसे कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है, it's for calming your skin. It has panthenol, really great ingredients. Then I've got this product from them जो वायरल कर दिया किसी ने टिकटॉक पे, by putting बूंदी 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 ऐसा करके पूरा चेहरे पे लगाया. मैं वीडियो डालती हूँ. ऐसे रेटिनॉल नहीं यूज करते प्लीज. You will you will get amazing skin in 2 days, and then your skin barrier is ruined for life. Never do this. In fact, brands see all these videos and then they are like, we wanted to do campaigns to tell कि ऐसा मत करो, because that's not the right way to use it. So even though their product went viral because of it, that's not the right way to use it. Eventually it will spoil your skin barrier. इनका retinol shot है, it's a tightening booster, it's for firm skin and it's for acne. You're just literally with any tretinoin and retinoid product, you're just supposed to take a pea size amount, okay, this much. इतना लेना है पूरे शक्ल के लिए, मेरी जितनी बड़ी शक्ल के लिए भी. This is how much you have to take, and you're just supposed to spread it like this. This is how you use a retinol. You don't apply and then massage it into your skin like a moisturizer. You just do this, spread it, that's it. That's all you do, and then you apply a face mist or a moisturizer and just sandwich it really nicely. So now I have started using this. I don't think it works ऐसा overnight जादू नहीं करता. It's not a very strong retinol, but अगर आप आज यूज करोगे फ्राइडे तक आपका पिंपल खत्म हो जाएगा. आज मंडे, फ्राइडे तक आपका पिंपल खत्म हो जाएगा. So very good to even out your skin's texture, and for acne prone skin you will love this. Then what else did Celimax give me? This one. This also I'm very excited to try. This I have not used before. This is a dual barrier creamy toner. I love my creamy toners, but not in this weather. I love it in winters. So I will start using this in winter. It's a lightweight milky toner. I've loved so many milky toners in the past, and I do really like this texture too. It's very watery, lightweight. I think it will work well in Mumbai winters. अभी humidity है तो अभी मुझे नहीं use करना है इसको, but excited to use this too. Never used it before. Then I got this, which they told me is their bestseller in India. This is the Pore Plus Dark Spot Brightening Cream. So of course Indians have hyperpigmentation. pigmentation issues. Excited to use this, haven't used this yet. She actually told me to mix the retinol, एक बूंद इसका और ये एक बूंद, दोनों को mix करके to put it on my face and to even try it on my underarms for pigmentation. She recommended this to me, the person over there, and I want to do that. So now I will put this to use. मैं अब तो मैंने आधे products use में डाले थे और आधे products I was waiting to show you all and then use them myself. So some are reviews, whereas some are not first impressions. They are just like, this is a review. This I love using. Oh my god. I again don't like toner pads because too much time waste in skincare मुझे पसंद नहीं है. मुझे लगाओ product खत्म करो सो जाओ. Like I like that kind of skincare. So toner pads are the kind of product that you need to like tone your skin and then you can even keep it for some time on your face so you will get the full effect of it and then you can throw it. So you have to wait for it to work, right? I don't like that. But this particular toner pad from Celimax, oh my god, this is called the Pore Plus Dark Spot Brightening Pad. वो same range का है. It has got niacinamide and tranexamic acid and I kid you not, you guys, look at how drenched this toner pad is. It's insane. I hate that I wasted this one because it's precious to me. It is beautiful. इतना सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है इसका एंड पूरा का पूरा सीरम से सोक्ड है. इसमें बहुत प्रोडक्ट है एंड इनके टोनर पैड्स बहुत ज्यादा डेंस इन सीरम है. मैंने कोई भी ब्रांड के ऐसे नहीं देखे. इट्स लाइक वेरी वेरी डेंस इन the product itself and then I just apply this basically one on one cheek, one on the other cheek and one on my forehead. I keep it for 15-20 minutes. I remove it अच्छे से. Then I do my full skincare routine in the morning. जब तक मैं अंडा बना रही हूँ, कॉफी बना रही हूँ, मैं सुबह उठ के लगा देती हूँ और फिर मैं अपना बाकी का स्किन केयर करके ऑफिस जाती हूँ and it has been working really well for me, really well. I'm loving how drenched these are. I will put it on my elbows and use all the serum अच्छे से because we don't waste Korean goodness. In fact, you know, last time उन्होंने डब्बे में ये सब मुझे भेजा था तो मैंने किसी को दे दिया. मुझे याद भी नहीं किसको, क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था ब्रांड के बारे में. कोई बात नहीं कर रहा था इस ब्रांड के बारे में. और अब जब मेरे को मिला है प्लस मैं ब्रांड टीम को मिलकर मैं खुद यूज कर रही हूं, लाइक वाओ, मैंने कितना मतलब वेस्ट कर दिया. किसको दिया मुझे याद भी नहीं किसको दिया मैंने प्रोडक्ट. एनीवे, इफ दिस गेट्स ओवर आई विल बाय इट मायसेल्फ. देन आई हैव गॉट द रेटिनॉल शॉट फ्रॉम Celimax. This is a firm skin retinol complex with 9 peptides, 0.1% retinol and panthenol 1%. Gonna give this to my mama. Mama will need it because it's retinol. It does work for acne also, but मुझे इतनी रेटिनॉल की जरूरत नहीं है. Again, be careful that with retinol you will be making your skin sensitive to the sun, so you need to apply sunscreen. They've given me the Pore Plus Dark Spot sunscreen with SPF 50 PA4+. Love this formula too. It's very similar to the Beauty of Joseon one. It has a water break to it. Very like lightweight formula. एकदम ही सिंपल सा, ऐसा जैसा अपने को पसंद है वैसी, लाइक मॉइस्चराइजर जैसा फील होता है. चिपचिपा फीलिंग नहीं है बट इट्स ड्यूई एंड हाइड्रेटिंग एंड देयर इज नो स्टिकीनेस whatsoever, no white cast. So a formula that Indians are now quite familiar with because a lot of our Indian brands also do this formula. But I honestly with all my heart trust Korean sunscreens with all my money because they are a little expensive, but I genuinely feel like I don't reapply my sunscreen. I'm very bad at it, so I want to apply like a really good one in the morning and leave for office. So I use Beauty of Joseon, but now I'll use Celimax also because I have it. Then I got this cute face wash because Sharon said she saw it on some reel, and look, I'm very influential in Korea. कोई मेरे को बोले ये अच्छा, ये मैंने reel पे देखा, I'm like just दे दो, बस दे दो, मैं देख लूंगी अपना. So Sharon saw this and she whipped करके कोई फेस वॉश है. It's such a gimmicky product. It says vegan cookie clay pack cleanser. It's half cup of whipped clay base, 1 teaspoon charcoal powder, 3 teaspoons mugwort extract, 2 teaspoons tea tree extract and 7 drops of Centella asiatica. पूरा का पूरा फॉर्मूला ही डाल दिया है उन्होंने सामने. मैं बना सकती हूँ घर पे, ऐसा फॉर्मूला दे दिया है. मेरे को अच्छा लगा because it's a big fat tube of the like face wash. It's a nice face wash and what's really cute about it is this cut opener. It's like a cookie cutter. Look at how it's coming out, like a cookie whipped cream निकाल रहे ना वैसा वाला. So it's nice cute touch that they've given to it. It's actually a good face wash. It's got exfoliating beads in it and it has charcoal powder. So it basically after a day of makeup or a long day out in the pollution and the heat, it's nice to just wash away. Like अब मैं अहमदाबाद जाके आई थी 24 hours, so I was in a meeting all day. बाहर की धूप, फ्लाइट, पसीना, गंदगी, घर आके मैंने इससे मुंह धोया, ऐसा लगा वाओ पूरे जीवन का पसीना गंदगी सब निकल गई. So it's a very nice deep cleanser. You don't get this in India. You'd have to ask somebody to like get it for you. And in the packet you also get these which are very popular in Korean stores. You get them literally every merchandise दुकान में basically ऐसे. It's called wristbands and जब अपन मुंह धो रहे होते तो पानी के सब पूरा ऐसा निथर जाता है ना हाथों पे, तो ये पहन के तुम पानी धो and face wash करो ताकि पानी will not drip down your hands. Really like logical concept, and I haven't used or washed my face using this, but I've got like 4-5 for myself, so now that I have them I will use it. Okay, I didn't take body lotion from India, so the first day Myeongdong mein only from Temtem we purchased this. Two of us, like Sharon and I, both got this Song Be Me, Some by Me or something like that. AHA, BHA, PHA Miracle Calming Body Lotion. It has tea tree and niacinamide. Actually a really nice body lotion for the Indian weather because it's a gel moisturizer, a gel body lotion. If I have to give you a dupe in India, I think B Body Wise ka body lotion इनके जैसा है, बहुत ही like हल्का. You can see what the texture is like. It's very like lightweight, cream-like, and it absorbs really nicely and in a lightweight manner into the skin. Very very nice formula, and it has tea tree in it. So basically tea tree is for pigmentation. AHA, BHA, PHA तीनों है ना इसमें, so that's good for exfoliating if you have acne, body acne or pigmentation on your skin. So actually even Pooja got this for her sister because her sister has back acne issues. So it's got soothing, hydrating and calming. It's a nice body moisturizer. This brand is in India, but all the products are unavailable. So a dupe for this I would give is B Body Wise Lactic Acid Body Lotion or one of the Salicylic Acid Body Lotion. Very very similar in formula, in the feel and in the effectiveness of the product. Like I used to use B Body Wise a lot when I had body acne issues. I don't anymore, so I don't use it. Then I have a very bad eczema on the foot issue. I have mentioned this in the past also, and कोरिया में वो flare up हो गया और अभी मेरा बहुत बुरा eczema का issue है because मैं non-stop May month में travel कर रही थी और उसमें बहुत चलना होता है, and dry weather से जहाँ मैं गई, like Korea was dry, even Dubai was dry, and even Ahmedabad was dry. Everywhere I went was dry. My foot eczema has become really bad. I got this from their Bonnie Hills Collagen Foot Cream in I think Temtem itself. It's for Nourish, Cracked and Cracked Heels. It's triple heel. I didn't want to buy two. It was a buy one get one. Honestly, it didn't work for me. मेरा eczema बहुत खराब है. अगर आप पैर देखोगे, like मेरा ना पूरा skin ऐसा thick layer में peel होने लगता है. मुझे बहुत दर्द होता है पैरों में. तो मुझे इससे कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा. For me, what has worked in the past and what I'm doing again now is castor oil. I put castor oil in the night on like the Nat Habit castor oil. I put it nicely on my feet. I put socks and I go to sleep, and it works miraculously. Like अभी मैं 15 दिन castor oil लगाऊंगी, मेरा ठीक हो जाएगा. So this unfortunately is it's okay. It's not that great. I would not recommend. Not for like if you have feet like me. If you have normal feet and you want a foot cream, then you can probably. This one I got from Mummy. This is the brand Paul Medicine. It's an all-in-one wrinkle improvement snail cream. Now I had not heard of this brand before, but I want to believe it's going to be excellent because I bought this from them and I bought this from them. This is the Daily Deep Moisture Lip Balm Shea Butter. Oh my god, this is the best lip balm I have ever put on my lips. I have a bazillion lip balms. Like if a lip balm launches in the US, I have it. If a lip balm launches in India, I have it. I buy with my own money. I'm a big lip balm paglu. Every part of my house, my office and my bags have lip balms in them. I love lip balms. And this particular lip balm is still the best. It's like a glazed donut feel almost. I don't even want to waste it because ये इतनी सी tube है, इतना प्यारा hydration, almost feels like a gloss and goes on so smoothly and so hydrating. And we didn't see this brand in Olive Young, or maybe we didn't look for it, we forgot. We got this from Off Beauty in Myeongdong. There were two stores of Off Beauty. Again, they also have like wholesale के prices for K Beauty products. मैंने उधर से लिया, एक ही लिया, and then Pooja also loved it and she wanted to buy, but हम भूल गए actually लास्ट में. तो अगर कोई भी कोरिया से आ रहा है, प्लीज मेरे लिए 10-15 पॉल मेडिसिन के लिप बाम लेगा. इतना अच्छा है. This is a public appeal for this lip balm for me. So I want to believe this will be really good for Mummy. This is an all-in-one wrinkle cream. So मुझे वो wrinkle का जो भी मिला मैं मेरी माँ के लिए उठा के लेके आई. मेरी माँ की स्किन अभी बदल जाएगी. आधे अगले साल की बर्थडे में मेरी माँ और भी जवान लगेगी. So जो भी मिला I got it for her because she's also a skincare paglu like me. I also got this one from Off Beauty, the Dr. Melaxin Neck Lift. Yeah, like I think they want to say neck lifting, effective for blurring neck wrinkles. So it's a neck cream, only for neck wrinkles. If you know, Mama has really bad neck wrinkles because when she was a younger girl, she used to only apply sunscreen on her face and never on the neck. So please don't be like her and make the same mistake. Apply your sunscreen on your face and neck, and you will like her face skin. You will not be able to tell that my mom is almost 60. Her face skin is beautiful, mashallah, but her neck skin, she has a lot of wrinkles. So I bought this neck cream for her. If it can maybe not reverse the damage but stall the damage. Then this product, a lot of my friends told me is very good. This brand Rejuran. A lot of people go for Rejuran to Korea and to stock up. Oh, मेरी माँ को मिला भी नहीं है अभी तक, मार डालेगी मेरे को. They are very expensive serum. This serum itself cost me 58,000 for one Korean one, not Indian rupees. तो वो conversion में डाल दूंगी. It's expensive, but these people started the PDRN, and this is supposed to be the best PDRN you will get in Korea. C PDRN 0.5%. It basically is called Rejuran. It's for premium anti-aging solution. Got this. इसके साथ कुछ भी नहीं आता. ये अकलौता सीरम एक ब्लू डब्बे में आता है. ये मैंने 3 लिए एक्चुअली, मेरे लिए नहीं, मम्मी के लिए. One of my friends wanted it, and Pooja got it for her mom, and Sharon got it for her mom. So the major bill was because of this serum that we bought 4, and I picked up this Rejuran from Olive Young. This is the turnover active cream. My mom loves moisturizers because as you age, the moisture from your skin starts losing like the elasticity. तो उनके लिए मैंने एक anti-aging cream भी ले ली Rejuran से, कि अगर actually उनका product इतना अच्छा है तो फिर मम्मी can have more of it, because कौन अभी वापस कोरिया जाके लाएगा. apart from shopping, मुझे खाना पीना तो उधर नहीं अच्छा लगा, तो मैं शायद वापस कभी ना जाऊं अनलेस कोई ब्रांड मुझे बुला रहा है. तो इसलिए अभी जितना मैं ला सकती थी मैं लेके आ गई हूँ. एंड आई थिंक ये ब्रांड आ जाएगा इंडिया में Rejuran जब भी, क्योंकि इसका काफी प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक वायरल हो रहा है दुनिया भर में. तो दिस इज अ टर्नओवर एम्पूल डुअल इफेक्ट सीरम. सो लाइक दिस केम इन वन लाइक combo in Olive Young, which I bought. Olive Young is really big on like combos and kits and buy one get one etc. This also I got like body SPF from there. I haven't used it. ये पूरा का पूरा नाम भी कोरिया में इसमें खाली लिखा है waterproof sun spray. तो मैं कोई भी बीच हॉलिडे पे जाऊंगी तो मुझे लगेगा, तो that's why. Let me see, actually I haven't used it at all. पूरा का पूरा नाम भी कोरियन में था, तो ऐसे ही उठा लिए मैंने और पूजा ने, कुछ पूजा को भी सन, पूजा का लंदन में सन इज वेरी harsh, like super harsh, so she needed a body spray. मुझे मुंबई में ऐसा बॉडी स्प्रे नहीं लगता, मैं मुंबई में सनस्क्रीन ही लगा देती हूँ बॉडी पे. बट व्हेन आई ट्रैवल टू से थाईलैंड और एनी बाली और एनीथिंग आई विल नीड इट. लेट्स सी हाउ गुड दिस इज. This smells really nice. No perfumey smell, and it does. मेरे बालों को सफेद कर दिया उन्होंने, हाथ के बालों को, so it does have that residue of the product. But I think if I shave on my beach holiday, they should be fine. No sticky feel, nothing. Really nice. Aerosol is nice. Nice. Okay, so I can't tell you what brand this is. I'll put it on the screen. Looks like Nivea or something only, but it is of course. Oh, Shingmul Nara waterproof sun spray. That's what the brand is. Okay, cool. So buy one get one. So got 2. Then last few tidbits: the Anua niacinamide 10% and tranexamic acid. Honestly, Anua is the same price in India as it is in Korea, which is why मैं नहीं लेने वाली थी ये भी, but मैंने ऐसे ही उठा लिया क्योंकि मैं Olive Young में थी. अब चल मुझे ट्राई करना है Anua का tranexamic acid यूज करके for pigmentation. Pigmentation has become a huge concern for me, especially after it's always been a concern for me as brown skin, but मैं अभी ऑफिस जाती हूँ और मेरे ऑफिस की खिड़कियां बहुत बड़ी है. आई एम फुल डे इन फ्रंट ऑफ सन. लाइक आई नीड टू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट reapplying sunscreen also sitting in office, otherwise my skin will age very quickly. And I love natural light. I'm not going to get an office which has like lesser light because I love natural light. It keeps me motivated. So it's a combination of wanting to protect your skin with skincare and wanting the mental health to be protected by sunlight. So got this one. It looks like this red in color, and Anua products are great. अगर इंडिया में like अगर मुझे सस्ता मिल रहा होता तो मैं 10-15 Anua के प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आती, बट बिकॉज Anua का मतलब ऐसे कुछ सस्ता नहीं है, it's the same price in India, that's why I only bought. I've made a mistake and bought like serums from UK from Anua, which is UK is even more expensive in K-beauty than Korea or India. So I made a mistake that time. I bought the PDRN of Anua from UK. So this time I didn't make the mistake. जो भी प्रोडक्ट मुझे दिख रहा था मैं पहले नायका पे प्राइस चेक कर रही थी कि नायका पे कितने का मिल रहा है. लाइक एस्चुरा का बॉडी लोशन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मुझे चाहिए, बट नायका में तभी पिंक समर सेल चल रही थी और सेम प्राइस. So you all those brands you can buy it in India. You don't have to buy it from them. This scalp serum is called the Genemon RKNSNKT scalp tonic for an oily scalp. I got that 18-step scalp treatment done, and that removed so much gunk from my scalp. मेरे scalp पे इतना build up था, and I have a really oily scalp. It actually helped me a lot because my scalp gets oily in 2 days, and like after that treatment now it gets oily in 4 days. So she told me to buy this and apply it after my hair wash so that I prevent and like the effects of the hair treatment last a little longer. तो अभी मैं influence हो गई, उसने बोल कोरियन बोल रही है कि कुछ खरीदो तो मैं सुनूं नहीं, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, तो मैंने ये खरीद लिया. It's not for hair growth, it's basically to prevent oily scalp. I am still seeing the effects of that treatment. अभी भी मेरे बाल 4 दिन बाद गंदे होते हैं और oily होते हैं, immediately धोते के साथ oily नहीं होते हैं. So that's a good thing. Then I got like all these छोटू ये सब मुझे free मिला. Freebies में they give sheet mask, they give all these छोटू testers. These are eye creams, goes to my mom. Repairing cream from Rejuderma goes to my mom. Then what else? Lip balm Paglu got a lot of like lip balms apart from that Paul Medicine one. Don't like any of these. These are too thick, and I think as compared to all of this, we have Laneige in India. Just buy Laneige. Laneige is the best. Like this is the Pro Bioderm Collagen Volume Lip Mask. I was not expecting it to be a plumping lip mask. इसको लगाओ तो वो lip gloss लगाने का जो plumping effect आता है वो होता है. Who the hell wants to apply this and go to sleep? Like I don't want bigger lips, and I definitely don't want that plumping effect before bed. So I am not using this at all. Like थोड़ा एक बार use किया and इतना प्यारा दिख रहा था तो मैंने खरीद लिया. I got influenced by the packaging. Then again I got influenced by the packaging. Bought this from Etude House, the Ginger Sugar Overnight Lip Mask. It's extremely thick and not in a way that we like. Like it's so like look at that. Look at the texture. Okay, can you see? Texture देखो. Can you see the texture? This is not a texture I like in my lip balms. I want a very seamless, glossy. Like Laneige का lip mask तो हम सब ने use किया होगा. You know what I'm talking about. That's what we like in a lip mask. So none of the lip balms I got are it for me. Unfortunately, they are not. They're like पैसा waste. Would not recommend these two. Got this Romand का Bare Water Tint because ये वाला इंडिया में नहीं मिलता है. बाकी Romand का जो भी उधर था सब कुछ अपने को इंडिया में मिलता है और same price में मिलता है. ये वाला it's good on the tint. It's long wearing as a tint, but it is a very patchy application. I do wear it at home just as a tint लगा के बैठने के लिए. This one from TTR though I absolutely love it. It's a little expensive. I just got the mini. It's in the shade 21. It's a beautiful pink color. I do really like this color. It looks so nice. Looks so nice on my skin. Can you see? The color थोड़ा सा आ गया होगा ना इसके ऊपर. Tint भी long wear है, formula भी बहुत अच्छा, बहुत even application देता है. So I really do like this TTR one. It's expensive but it's good. And for another time in my life, after so many back and forth on the TTR cushion foundation, literally what they are famous for, I was one of the people who bought it long back. मैंने international makeup, so जैसे ही वो viral होने लगा ना US में, मैंने international makeup India करके एक पेज है उधर से मंगा लिया था. फिर मैंने वीडियो किया, मुझे अच्छा लगा, सबने बोला अरे स्पॉन्सर्ड है. अरे मैंने खुद की वजह से लिया था, तभी इतना पैसा देके. मेरा शेड थोड़ा लाइट था तभी. फिर उसके बाद वो सूख गया. So I put it in a disappointing products video and told people that it is a good foundation but it is disappointing कि वो सूख जाता है. So they are like अरे अब तुमको पैसे नहीं मिल रहे तो तुम हेट कर रहे हो. ब्रो मेरे को तभी भी पैसे नहीं मिल रहे थे, अभी भी पैसे नहीं मिल रहे. How I'm feeling about the product and how the opinions are changing is what I'm telling you, because like with all this skincare also, I might like the look and feel say of the sunscreen now, but now I'll go about with my day and if suppose for example my skin gets burnt at the end of the day, then later I have to tell you all ना कि guys नहीं perform किया. मैं और कैसे बताऊँ आपको unless through like Instagram reels or shorts or stories or whatever. So I try to be as honest and transparent in my content, but still on YouTube shorts people are just so negative. On YouTube shorts the comments are never it. Like उनको तो लगता है हर चीज का पैसा मिल रहा है या मैं बिक गई हूँ, उनको वही लगता है. Anyway, cannot win over all audiences. The point of the story is that I got myself shade matched in the store and I was using 33N and my shade actually is 37N. Now this is also slightly orange for me but the shade match is perfect. It oxidizes तो थोड़ा सा orange लगता है but concealer वगैरह लगाने के बाद सही हो जाता है. अब मैंने छोटा वाला इसलिए लिया because मुझे पता है ये फॉर्मूला सूख जाता है, उसमें बहुत प्रोडक्ट होता है तो भी फॉर्मूला सूख जाता है. तो मैंने छोटा लिया इस बार कि मैं ट्रैवल करूंगी और गर्मी के मौसम में मेरे को काम आएगा और फिर खत्म हो जाएगा और मैं इसको फेंक दूंगी. उसके बाद अगर मेरे को चाहिए वापस मैं ये शेड लूंगी, इसलिए मैंने अभी दिमाग लगा के छोटा वाला लिया. So that's what I would recommend. I told people in the video that I would try the liquid foundation, but the liquid foundation does not have my shade and so unfortunately if Korea did not have my shade, India में तो हमारे पास सब shades है भी नहीं इसमें. In fact this shade is also not available in India, 37N, so I might never be able to repurchase it. That is about it. One last thing I got is this My Guess Mood Gel Eyeliner. This is a dark brown eyeliner. I keep needing eyeliner, kajal pencil. I think इसका मैंने eyebrow pencil भी लिया and eyeliner भी लिया just because मेरा मिल नहीं रहा था उस दिन. तो ये मैंने Off Beauty से खरीदा. अब तक मेरे को यूज करने का चांस ही नहीं मिला. ये I don't think so is the name of the brand and I got this brown kajal because I love putting like brown. Oh, this is so creamy. Oh my god. This is like an ashy brown color. Can you see the color? Like an ashy brown and it's pretty creamy. I'm excited to put it on my top line because वैसा उन्होंने दिखाया है like display photo में. So this is from the brand I don't think so. It's in the shade number 7 somber brown. It's a very somber brown color. It's not a chocolate brown. It's a very ashy brown. They are actually very much on the pale side, so they need a lot of like cooler tones and neutral tones for their skin, whereas we are more on the warm side. So warm is what works works for us. And lastly, I got myself this product. This is the Medicube HR Booster Pro 2. It's literally like a female PS5. मैंने इस पे अभी YouTube Shorts किया, which I'll be posting, कि इसका पूरा review and कैसे मैंने product पहली बार try किया. This is basically like a skincare device, like how a gua sha is supposed to work, but it's a device. It looks like this. It comes as a it comes as a dabbe mein, and I almost broke it, so I'm glad I did not. It has such a cool feature. It has 6 modes, really cool features. On होता है दूसरा मोड level 1, तो ऐसा मोड चेंज होता है. So basically इसमें 6 अलग तरीके के मोड है. बूस्टर मोड, माइक्रो करंट मोड, डर्मा शॉट मोड, डुअल मोड, मास्क मोड एंड एयर शॉट मोड. और ये सारे मोड ना 6 इंटेंसिटी तक परफॉर्म करते हैं. लिटरली अगर आप स्किन को टच करोगे तो माइक्रो करंट में आपको माइक्रो करंट फील होगा, बूस्टर में आपकी स्किन वाइब्रेट होगी, एंड बेसिकली एनहांसेस फॉर स्किन सेल टर्नओवर. इट्स अ रियली कूल डिवाइस. Honestly had not seen a lot of reviews. Pooja told me it's very good, and she also was thinking of buying it, and since her birthday just went, I was like, you buy it, don't think about it. My birthday gift देखो तो लेना ही था तो ले ले. मैं अभी ले लेती हूँ. मैं content बना लूँगी. I was like, content बना लूँगी, use नहीं किया तो. But honestly, I am going to use this. It is a very impressive device. The fact that there's so much in it, there is like so many features, and even after you apply sheet mask, they have the mask mode which you use over a sheet mask and lightly place the head on the device and then move it slowly during the use of the sheet mask. So I'm thinking, just imagine when I use this on mask mode with this, the effect of the sheet mask will be so much more. I'm actually very excited to play with this. It's like my PlayStation. I'm gonna have so much fun with this, and I will give you a review in my vlog probably 2-3 months later कि what difference is it making to my skin. क्योंकि गुआशा वगैरह करने में मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता और उसके effects भी नहीं समझ में आते. But this vibrates, gives you suction, and gives you like different modes, and I really am dedicated to using this nicely. And that was everything that I got from South Korea in the K Beauty Cat. Now there is going to be another part in which I show you my fashion haul, my chappal, juta, everything fashion related, and then छोटी छोटी जो चीजें South Korea popular है उसके लिए, like bag charms, etc. So much more that I have shopped. You literally know I went with an empty suitcase and I came back with 2 full suitcases. So there's another part of the South Korea haul that's coming, and if you want to see that, please hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. Free hai guys. In case you didn't know, it's absolutely free to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell right next to it so that when I upload a video, you will get notified कि हाँ सारा ने video डाला है. For today's video, the Saska shout goes to Anagha Vats. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next video's Saska shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be part of my next video's Sara Squad shout out. That was easy. Bye guys, love you.